we go. See, if you turn your wheel too sharp, you'll end up on the sidewalk, right? So you just,
Straight.
yeah. There, a little bit sharper. Bring it back. Okay. And we're going to make a right turn. Take your right hand. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that's nice. Hand over hand steering. Okay. And then we'll turn it around here. Excellent. Then we'll turn left at the yield. Signal. Left turn. Okay, and then we're going to turn left here. Signal. Okay. So I'm looking for feet, maybe. Might be somebody standing in front of the truck that we can't see. I look under the truck for feet. Sometimes it's the only thing you can see. Start braking. A little more brake, a little more brake. And at this intersection, we're going to make a right turn. Slow it down. Check left. And keep rolling. If you don't see any cars coming, you just keep rolling. So you don't have to come to a full stop at a yield sign, right? Only if there is a car coming. Sharp right. A little bit of gas. Good. At this intersection, we're going to turn left. So where do we stop here?
Work side.
Before the sidewalk.
Yeah,
sidewalk. You got it. Okay, looks good. Both ways. You look both ways. Looks good. Okay, so you're slowing down nicely. He has his hazard lights on, the flashing red lights, so he's just parked. You're okay to pass him. And we're going to turn right. Foot on the brake. Foot on the brake. This time we're going to go that way, just for practice. Oh, I thought it was a cul-de-sac. It's not. Okay. Oh, look at this. Okay, so let's turn it around. Let's just stay right here for a minute. We'll just wait right here. We'll let them get out of the way. See, they're sweeping the roads here too, so Toronto Maple Leafs. He's got the hockey Toronto Maple Leafs, yeah.
Famous. The cars are very cool.
Yeah. You're cleaning the roads.
Oh, it's a lady.
Yeah.
She's a lady.
Yeah, there's a lot of female dump truck drivers or transport drivers. Okay, so what we're going to do is we'll turn around this way. So turn your wheels all the way to the left.
Oh, really?
Yeah, all the way as sharp as they go. And check over your left shoulder, make sure nobody's coming. And go ahead. A little bit of gas, turn it right around. That's it. Turn it right around. Okay. Looking way out there. All right. That was fun. And here we're going to go straight. So you see he's got his flashing yellow lights on. That means he's not moving. He's going to stay right there. So you stop right at the edge of the road. Right about here. There's a car coming, so we wait for him. He's turning. And check left, check right, looks good, and we can go. Yeah. They're busy today. Look way around the road here, so you can ignore all of this. That's just extra space. Yeah, this time we're going to go like that, just for practice. That way. Go that way, yeah. Okay, foot over the brake. Look over your right shoulder, so you're looking where you want to go. Steer it sharp. Palms of your hands, here like this. Loosen your grip, push the gas. And you always stay in contact with the wheel, with the palms of your hands. At the stop sign, we're going to turn right. Turn a little bit and stop before the sidewalk.
Oh, too much. Should.
Little bit, yeah. Little bit. You went a little bit past. So we're just looking over here to the left. Do you see any cars?
No.
Okay, so you can go. If there was a car coming, then you would wait. First Street, right turn. Over the brake. Brake. Always brake before you turn. And at the stop sign, we're going to turn right. Before you stop, turn your wheels to the right. Right at the edge. Perfect. Looks good. Oops, you're on the shoulder here. You want to get on the road. Good. That's where people walk. On the gravel. Too bad they don't have any sidewalks here. So 30 begins. Check your speed. You're at 27, 28. That's good. And we're going to go straight at the stop sign. You want to position your vehicle so you're lined up with the road straight ahead. This is good. So they have stop signs, right?
Yeah.
So you stopped here first, you get to go first. Whoever stops first at a four-way intersection has the right of the way. Now it's 30. You're at 31. That's good. 27, 26. You can push the gas a little bit, bring it up to 30. $29, 30. There, you're at 30. Okay, we're going to go straight at the stop sign. Checking the rear view mirror. And go. So you got 4 stop signs here. Everybody has to come to a full stop. You got this, Yan Fang. You got this.
Feel better tonight.
Yeah, you're making really good progress here. You're reaching some milestones. Speed limit was 40 here. Now it's ending. When you see this 40 ends in the whole area, then you can pick up your speed to 50. The assumed speed limit now is 50, anywhere within city limits. At the traffic lights, we're going to turn left. So you can signal left and you get into that turning lane with the 2 arrows there, your road markings. Green light, and there's nobody coming, so you can keep on turning. Excellent. Yeah, nice. Very good. And then you pick up your speed to 50. Whoops, stay over here. Over here. There you go. Between the curb and the yellow line. This is your lane right here. Oops, you're going over the yellow line.
Yeah, it's too fast for me.
No problem. It's good to get used to it, though. See where the blue car is? We're going to turn right. Slow it down. Awesome. Yeah, you got it.
Here we are here.
Yeah, now we're going to make a right turn at the stop sign.